Hey fam, what's up? What's up? What y'all doing today? How y'all feeling? Let me not be great. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm making some chicken and waffles, y'all. I'm scared. I hope that it turns out right. You feels me? Hope it turns out right. This is my first time ever eating chicken and waffles. So, first time, so scared. Because I know people always raving about it or whatnot. And, you know, I hear so many good things about it. Like, it's so good. It's so different. It belongs together. The chicken belongs with the waffles or whatnot. But we'll see. We'll see. But, yes. My day has gone pretty good. Actually, really good. I got a chance to speak to some women today, and I got time to spend with the kids that I watch. As y'all know, I watch kids 5 days out of the week, babysit, and spent time with my kids. My phone. My son over there playing. Get out that blind. Got the blinds, boy. Get out that blind. My little one. Who just texted my phone? Who texted me? I'm busy. I'm vlogging. I'm sorry, y'all. That was so rude. Super rude. But, anywho's, I just made the batter, for the waffles. I just really hope it turns out delicious, because it's like, I never made chicken and waffles before, so this the first. Hopefully it won't be the last, because, you know. Yes, got chicken marinating. And yeah, I gotta marinate. Look at that. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Woo! And this is not a cooking channel, you guys. I mean, well, I can't say not a cooking channel, but this is not a you know, I'm not giving y'all recipes, and you know, it's not a, you know, a food recipe video or nothing like that. Just a regular long vlog. Cause I got time, might be nasty. I ain't trying to get on that nasty, you know. But Amir. All right, now waiting on hubby to get off of work, and waiting on him. That was the awkwardest thing I could ever do. You know, I can't. You know, I look in the camera too long, it make you feel awkward, don't it? I know it do. Amir, look at my son, y'all. Look at him. Amir, Mimir, meow, meow. He like that crazy lady. He like that crazy bad lady. They always like crazy. Waiting on hubby to get home. We need to hurry up so I can make this chicken and waffle. Cause he want it hot. What, you walking? Come on. Oh yeah. Y'all, this is like his well, he been trying to walk for the longest, y'all. He'll be 1 this month, y'all. May the 23rd, he'll be 1. Oh, come on, daddy. Come on. See you get up, daddy. Get back up again. Where you going? Come on, daddy. Come on. Amir, bring your behind back over here. Oh, my son. My son done put the couch in the middle of the living room. This boy here. My oldest son, Adonis, he thinks that he's like the decor dude of the house. He try to decorate my house. I can walk in the bathroom. I could be in my room laying down. This brother would transform my whole living room. I come in like, what's going on? Like, this boy, he need to get paid for what he do, honey. He really do. He need to get paid. That boy got skills. He has skills. That's crazy. I said, wow, boy. Keep doing your business. I would just call whoever this person is, keep calling me. I need a life. Well, I do have a life. I have a life of eternity with Jesus Christ. So, hey. I don't know why I say that a lot. I feel like I need life. Like, I guess that's like a saying that I've been saying for years. I really need to cut it out. Well, what been really new with me? Well, today I didn't really do much. Pretty much just homeschool. Went over things that my son have done early on this year, so basically trying to see if he remembered what I've taught him early on this year and stuff like that. And as you know, again, babysit the kids, watch them. Now the mommy want me to help her potty train the little boy, so it's gonna be interesting. Well, he listens to me, y'all, so it's not gonna be that difficult, you know, to train him. Cause boys are, well, I can't say boys are easier, but girls to me are easier. Cause my little girl, she got potty trained so quick. You know, she watched my oldest son, Adonis, her oldest brother. She watched him and she got it like so quick. So I don't know, but what else I do? I walked to the mailbox with the kids, so there was pretty much a little fun day. A mini field trip. And also, what else? What else I do? Of course, devotional that I do with the kids. Hey, Daddy. Sit him down. Mama. Yeah, Mama. No. He don't want to get up here. He want to play on the ground. Yeah, let him play. Did y'all finish that room?
I'm trying because remember trying to mess up by Randy.
Okay. No excuses. Just do it. No. Hand my phone, Mimi. Give my phone. Give me the phone. Mimi, Adonis, hand me that phone from me. He done stole my phone. Don't be trying to destroy it. You don't want me to talk to nobody. Jeez Louise. Okay, what else did I do? I talked to hubby earlier. And that's pretty much. And read today, of course. And that's pretty much it. My day. Okay, that's pretty much it, what I've done. I didn't really do anything extravagant or interesting or, you know, well, it was interesting to me. I really had a good time today. I had a very easy day. I don't know, I guess today Friday, so it's like, woo, last day to watch kids. So you'd be like, hey. I be having a blast. I be excited for Fridays sometimes, not all the time. I love them so much. But, you know, sometimes you need a good little break, 2 day, 1 day break or whatever. You need that. And, yes. I know tomorrow I'm spending time with my cousin. And the girl that I met, so we're going to spend time with them tomorrow. Yeah. So, and getting into work together. Something I really love to do. I don't know. Ain't not really interested in my way home, but yes, hopefully when hubby comes home, since today Friday, we can have a little fun night, Cause hubby been so busy. We've been doing other things. I don't know. Hope that hubbies wanna play with me. Cause I'll be missing all the times of playing and stuff. We play a lot, but actually I play a lot. My hubby, he's very chill and laid back, so I just had the game laid out. have some chicken and waffles on the table while the game laid out, and be like, yeah, come on, man, let's play. Yes. And I don't know. Amir, what? And yes, y'all see my hair. Yes, so I had my hair like this, I think like 2 weeks now or something like that. And yeah, I had it. I love it, y'all. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I wet it and I put like some oil. I didn't mean to put oil because I put oil on my my scalp. Make sure my hair is moisturized underneath, which it is very moisturized. And the hair like so soft, like oh my goodness, I love it so much. I'm like, well, I'm so shocked that I love it that much to keep it in another week or 2 weeks or so. I'm so shocked because normally I just take it out. Like I done had virgin hair and took it out in a week just because. But I really like it. It's very quick, you know. It's a quick hairstyle. Plus, you know, it looks natural. It looks very, very natural to me. I don't know. But anywho, I'll be back when hubby comes in the door. Okay. Yo. Oh man. Y'all can just go ahead, y'all, make the chicken, cause it's a little after 5, so I'm not trying to be up all day right now. Yeah, this is what the chicken looking like. Once again, what I'm gonna do is just see that thick buttermilk, y'all. Buttermilk. Oh snap. Ooh. But y'all know what's so funny though? It looked like buttermilk, don't it? No, I ran out of buttermilk, so I had to use plain yogurt. Thank God I had it on hand. Yeah, so yes, y'all, I have mixed milk with plain yogurt, and they said like you can substitute buttermilk for that. So it's gonna be really interesting, y'all. So I'm kind of nervous to try it. I'm nervous. My husband gonna kill him, a girl. It might be really delicious though. I mean, I don't know. It might just be. Just make sure you get the flour coated on there evenly. Distribute it evenly. Okay, let me get I always make sure, like, usually I use my utensils to do that, but I don't even know. Let me get it. Go ahead and get it. You know, because you get sick like that, especially touching meat. You want to make sure that you clean your hands thoroughly. Okay. Make sure that boy like boom, boom, boom. And you don't need to put all this meat in there at one time, because you can bring down the temperature of the pot when you're throwing like 8 pieces of meat in a little behind pot. So let's not do that. I just put 3. So I feel like 6 minutes on each side or something like that. Y'all, this is not, no. I'm not showing y'all how to cook this. I'm just just cooking it. Because, you know. But yeah. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Ah. Some chicken and waffles. Southern Belle. Southern. But I was always wanting to try this. I was like, man, how do it taste? Like, how in the world? People be like, oh, it's so good. Oh, make you slap your granddaddy. Yeah, I know y'all finna throw off and say mama. Nah, make you slap your granddaddy. Nah, that's disrespectful. I'm like, jeez, that good. Ain't that good to cause me to sin. If it causes me to sin, I don't need to bother. Oh, chill. Oh.
Mama.
You started saying mama. Why you saying mama, huh? Why you saying mama? He says mama. He says mama. Oh, snap. Oh, junky lunkies. My husband be like, dude, you need to stop all these little weird ugly names. Like Junky Monkey Scrumpy Lumpy or something. Like, you so slow. Crazy. Okay. I made my baby a sweet potato. He loves it. He loves it, y'all. We don't play about that sweet potatoes. Basically just cooked it. Well, baked it in the oven. Gotta open it. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh. Hey y'all, the food is done. This is the waffle, chicken and waffles. Okay. Only got 2 little bit thing waffles. It's good, Adonis?
Yes.
Come on, it's good.
Yes.
Excuse the mail on the table. Hubby here, say hey, Terrence. He is not a camera dude at all. Okay, I'm finna try it, y'all. Hopefully, see my real reaction. Let's see. Alright. Okay, here you go. Ding time. And the priest shall burn all of it on the altar as a burnt offering, a food offering.
Me and Amir got a bowl. You know? Me and Amir got a bowl. And me and Amir got a bowl.
And he shall kill it on the north
Me and Mom got a plate.
And Aaron's sons, the priests, shall throw its blood against the sides of the altar.
Me and
This is
Me
good.
and Mom got
Huh?
dressed. Me and Mommy got dressed. And you and Amir got a little shirt. You got a big jacket. A jacket dangling. And Amir don't. He doesn't have food.
A food offering with a pleasing
Mm.
aroma to the Lord. His offering to the Lord is the food offering of birds.
And this one I put hot sauce on it because everybody raving about the one with hot sauce.
I'm hungry.
Blood shall be drained out on the side of the altar.
My house hungry.
Mm-hmm. I know my chicken, I put a lot of herbs in it, like rosemary and oregano, thyme, a lot of herbs. So.
Honey, that's cute. Water with chicken.
I forgot the other names, but it's good. I'm not even like a big waffle girl, but this one I can eat. This one with the hot sauce.
Speak to the people of Israel and say to them, when any one of you brings an offering to the Lord, you shall bring your offering of livestock from the herd or from the flock. If his offering is a burnt offering
It's
from
different.
the herd,
It's
he shall offer
different.
a male without blemish.
But I can do
He
it.
shall bring it to the entrance of the tent of meeting, that he may be accepted before the Lord. He shall lay his hand on the head of the burnt offering, and it shall be accepted for him to make atonement for him. Then he shall kill
And I made the waffles from scratch, so
You shall bring the blood.
It tastes very
the sides of the altar. That is at the entrance.
It tastes fresh.
Then he shall flay the burnt offering and cut it into pieces. And the sons of Aaron the priest shall put fire on the altar and arrange wood on the fire. And Aaron's sons the priest shall arrange the pieces the head on the wood that is on the fire on the altar. But its entrails and its legs he shall wash with water. And the priest shall burn all of it on the altar as a burnt offering, a food offering, with a pleasing aroma to the Lord.
Okay, I'm finishing my food. I'll be back. So, how you like the food, babe?
Like I told you before. It was
You so Aggies. He's so Aggies, bro.
Alright, yeah, it was good though. I like the nice chicken taste. It had a good flavor to it. It was real good, nice and moist. The waffle was very good.
The anointed priest shall take some of the blood of the bull and bring it into the tent of
what else
meeting.
was good?
And the priest shall dip his
I'm a syrup man. I don't like hot sauce on my waffle. So it was kind of weird if she add when she, you know.
I mean, it wasn't bad. I added hot sauce on mine, so it wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad to me. It was good. Oh my goodness. Well, for me, I don't really eat waffles that often, so I'm not a real, I mean, I like breakfast, but I like breakfast sandwiches over pancakes in the day. I really don't care for like syrupy stuff, like really, really sweet stuff. It's, I mean, no. Let me rephrase that. I do like sweets as like cakes and stuff like that, but like for breakfast, like pancakes, I don't really care for that. I just don't care for that. That's weird though. I like sweets, but I don't really care for pancakes and waffles and stuff. That's weird. But yes.
What's your favorite color?
Ooh, you're so lame. My favorite color, orange. Oh, you know that is not my favorite color.
I was gonna say that's my favorite color.
No, it's not. Your favorite color is red.
My favorite color orange. Well, my favorite color is red.
Yeah, you never told me that.
But orange is like I like orange juice.
Look at this is dangerous. You got
the camera on you ain't even on me.
I need some more tissue.
No, take it off. Take it off.
Daddy, I need some more tissue. Daddy, I need some more tissue.
Okay, come here.
No, hey, you need to get him some tissue because he don't know he used all that roll of tissue that last time.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. You gotta dig in the corner and get all that
Ew.
Adonis, do not, hey, listen here, take it. Do not pull so much off. No. He was not. Really, babe?
I'm just telling you, man. Go to jail.
Mommy, America's ate the whole waffle.
Yeah, he did. Look, he's still eating.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness.
Our son
Y'all,
enjoying that waffle, y'all.
Yes, I made him a waffle, y'all. That boy got dark. That boy got super dark. Hey, Daddy. Look, y'all, he eating him a waffle. Look at, say, hey. Oh my goodness, he ate. Look. Say, it's good.
That's a big old waffle.
Say, hey, mommy. Say, hey. Say, hey. Say, hey. Oh, you ain't gonna wave. All right, he like that. He tearing that up, y'all. Guess my homemade waffles banging, huh? Bang. We need to play a game tonight.
I ain't playing that.
See y'all, he mean.
I'm gonna play work. I'm gonna play have sweet dream and go to work in the morning.
No, I guess he don't want to play.
We can play. We ain't got that many cards. We ain't got that many games.
But you know what I want to do? I want to make up another game.
I ain't with all that. It doing something I ain't no business.
Yeah, I use I'm always making up games, cause like it's my rules and stuff. Like it's funny. Like he
It was
always.
fun last time for me though. 'Cause I got you to go outside and scream Hakuna Matata.
Oh yeah, I had to go outside.
And say what it was. With our oldest son on her shoulders.
The Lion King. That
But
was
she
so
made me go
embarrassing.
out there and dance like a fool.
You said when you said that, man. You said, "Hey, who over there?" He actually turned his head.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. Oh my goodness. We had some brothers and sisters in Christ come over and we actually played that game. The first people that we played it with was my cousins. And oh my goodness.
All you
I
do
died.
is basically so you get to know your spouse.
Yeah.
And if your spouse don't know something about you, like,
You have to do something.
where did we meet at or something, and then they don't remember where you met at, then they gotta do anything. It's kind of like a truth or dare type thing, or a
Yeah,
dare
but I
thing.
mean, you did your own dish though. You think about it, like you ought to know these answers.
Yeah, but it
You know
depends on what
I'm
you
saying?
ask.
Right.
'Cause, like,
Okay,
some stuff we
basically.
don't talk about. Like,
Then we talk about everything.
I understand that, but
We
like
talk
little
about
stuff like,
everything.
you know, where you first played basketball at, or you know what I'm saying, stuff like that.
Where ain't no? Where have I
Or
wrote
the
that
first
quick?
time you played watched the football game at? You know,
I
that's
did
the
not
type of
ask
question-
that, man.
That is the type of question. Yeah.
That is a lie. No, But pretty much the game is you gotta write down how many questions. Well, it was 20 at first, but we had to cut it down. It was like 14.
No, it was like we did last.
Like
first
10?
time we did 10,
Okay.
and then
Well,
the second time we did it with Tiffany, Toya, and Toya. All that.
Oh yeah.
I told Tiffany, Toya, and Toya.
Toya, he got your name messed up.
Casey, Laura.
Okay. Oh
And
yeah.
we did it with like 6 questions. I think.
Okay, so I just put like this. Well, 10 questions. It could be 10 or 20 or whatever. How many you would like, and you write down like it's like couples, like married people, whatever. And you write down the questions. Like actually you asking your spouse through questions like what they should know about you, your family, or something like that. You write down the questions.
Stuff
your
y'all
spouse-
discussed before.
Oh yeah, it has to be something that you both discussed. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have a question on there that y'all never discussed.
Like nobody can read minds.
Yeah.
And if you can't, you need to go seek some help.
And yeah, and if the person get it wrong, then the spouse has to. The spouse has to like tell them to do something. They have to do it, and if they don't do it,
So like what? Lewis had to eat mayonnaise. Was it a spoonful of mayonnaise?
baby food.
Yeah, he had to eat baby.
He had
milk.
to eat my baby powder food. He went crazy on what y'all feeding his baby.
And Tiffany had to eat mayonnaise dipped in grapefruit juice.
Oh yeah. What did I have to do? Oh yeah.
You didn't do
I
nothing.
do not major like.
You kept going outside though.
He kept trying to embarrass me, cause I embarrassed him.
She barely let you.
Everybody like it's not even embarrass me. Like I don't mind doing crazy stuff. I don't care. But Terrence, on the other hand, I think I made you say "rubber baby bugger bunker."
I ain't rub my stomach and say rubber baby buggy bumpers or something like that.
That was funny. Yeah, y'all. I would love to play that game for y'all to see.
I ain't doing it.
But we ain't gonna do it because they don't want to do it. So, yeah.
It ends up we doing some new.
Child. But anywho, how was work?
They ain't none of their business. It was good though.
Oh my
I had to
god.
train somebody today.
Oh really? Oh. Yeah, my day was cool or whatever.
You already told the people that, didn't you?
Tell you is mean.
Not me.
You are mean. Mean, G.
What y'all doing?
I don't know why I was like going back to. I was thinking today like how I'm gonna be 24.
Girl, you got all the way to December.
I mean December 26th after Christmas, yes. But for real, like I'll be 24. Like you 24, you old already. But like for real, like 24 is a big age. Like I'll be 25. Like, oh my goodness. Like, you can't get. I'm a big girl. Have you ever just said about I'm a man? Have you ever felt? You ever felt
I felt like
like
I was
that?
a man when I was 16.
I didn't feel like that. I had my first child when I was 15. I got pregnant when I was 15. I had my first child 16. I still felt like a child. So I still feel like a baby. It's like now I'm finally feeling like a woman. Yeah, but now I feel it. You know, when you really on your own with your husband, like you married and stuff like that, it's like, I don't know, you just really feel grown. Like, grown in sex and
My grandma and granddaddy raised me to take care of my wife. Even before I had a wife. Taught me to be a gentleman.
Ooh! Only thing they didn't teach you was what?
Don't do all that.
For girls, this boys, one is for boys.
Do not do all that.
Oh my goodness. I am a goofy ball, y'all. I am goofy. Babe, for the skill. What you say how goofy am I? 10 is the most.
You are 10.
No,
1,000.
No. No, seriously. So a 10 mean like outrageously, like almost to the point aggravating. 9 is almost there. Like 7 is like cool.
Well, you want me to say 7, right?
Yeah.
No, you are 10.
Oh my goodness, baby.
You get you.
Oh,
Sometimes
Phil, you gonna do that? Huh?
Sometimes you so goofy.
The big boy, he wanted him.
I love you.
Because he was the part.
You love
He
me?
fell on the wall.
How much you love me?
Put them do all on camera now.
Y'all, he is not loving them at all. That's one thing that like true to me. Well, he is romantic, but he's, I don't know what to say about him. I don't know. Yeah, it's like he cool, like he's laid back. I don't know what to call it. He laid back. I'm more so the romantic, I don't know. I pretty much, I'm goofy for both of us. Is that true?
I'm goofy too, man.
Yeah, you ain't acting like it. You acting. Yeah, he goofy.
Back up, man. Them people ain't gonna see nothing but your nostrils. That's all they gonna see. Nothing but your nostrils.
Dad, this is me.
Well, what's wrong with your face?
I drink milk.
He got white.
And I eat food.
Well, I don't know if that's milk or booger juice.
What's that? It's called food. That's
Some people ain't looking like right now.
No, I'm not putting my baby out like that. That's
I'm
horrible.
gonna
I'm not putting it out. No, you better.
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one.
He look cute. Say, got milk.
He look cute with his nose running.
No, his nose, that's milk, babe. Say, got milk. Say,
Got milk.
That's cute. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But anywho, y'all, I know y'all don't want to hear me laughing all day, so come on.
How you know they don't want to hear you laughing all day?
My leg could be annoying. See that there.
I see your hair on the picture. It's sucker you. Mommy, it's sucker you.
Come on, you want to sing for the camera?
I want to sing. Me too.
Huh?
Like this. I want to sing Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. The Bible tells me so. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Go on, girl.
Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus.
My husband don't want me to sing, y'all. Okay, y'all. That's it. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, thank y'all.
You're still there stuffing his face. You made him a whole pancake?
Yeah, I think a whole waffle. Yeah.
That thing is gonna be tough. Man, that boy gonna be boo-booing up a storm.
Babe, we are not allowed to say boo boo on my channel.
What you supposed to say?
This is
Bowel
Donna's,
movement.
this is Donna's wallet.
That boy gonna have a big old bowel movement.
This is Donna's wallet.
Where y'all got that wallet from?
Daddy.
Quan bought it for me. Daddy Quan.
Oh, okay.
What you gonna say?
Yeah.
It's not.
Daddy, you can't wipe all the stuff off.
I'm
Just go sit it down. Go sit it down.
So he,
Y'all go finish that room.
They better bitch to clean their room.
Don't you do that. Don't you do that.
Well, I'm not gonna put. Wait, I'm not doing that. Really, babe. You would think I'm gonna put that. I'm editing that out. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all. Hey, y'all. We got a song for y'all.
You make it
I'm sorry.
green.
I'm sorry. He said I'm green. Y'all, I'm sorry. I just noticed like I didn't have hubby in the camera, so here you go. Hopefully y'all can see this, but can you, come on. 1, 2, 3.
Monroe.
It's the Monroe.
Alright, ready, set, go.
The Monroe. We green.
You the green, you the one want to do it.